I was in Poundland the other day and I found this. This is a dummy security camera. For £1. That for £1. So we're going to have a look at it. Got my pen. I'll just break the tape. And we'll open it. So you do, that's all in the box. So you get your marking plate for the wall, which has cutouts where the screws need to go, so that's where you mark it. So that's alright. That's it. Don't feel very clever. So that comes off. There's you need to put batteries in because it has a LED light on the front, and they're mounting screws and wall plugs. Is that it? Do you think that looks like a real CCTV camera? What's the point though? If you're gonna put one of these up, you might as well buy a real one. I'm gonna go get a screwdriver and we're gonna take this apart. Right, I'm back. Screwdriver. So let's just start undoing it. It's got 4 screws. Doesn't feel very clever. I think we're in. There we go. So this comes apart. Oh, that's not very good. Look at that. It's got scratches in and it's brand new. Ooh. Let's just take these screws out so I don't lose them. There we go. So it's got a spring. So they've got 4 springs. And this is your little camera module with an LED. Is that it? And take the LED out, I think. No, it won't come out. Anyway, I might... Oh, so it's got a switch. That's the switch. That little white thing there. What I might do with this is... I might convert it so when you press it, an alarm goes off maybe. Or I might put a little spy camera in it, I'm not sure. Have to see. It just feels so nasty. And it's got like holes for a speaker, but it hasn't got a speaker. So this is obviously made in China, because it says it on the back. This feels nasty. You might as well buy a new, you might as well just buy a real one for that. For £1, you might as well spend, say, 50 quid and buy a real one. And you get it actually works, the real one, and this one doesn't. It feels so nasty. Look at them scratches if you can see it. You see them scratches? Nasty. It feels nasty. What I might do is do a drop test or hammer vandal proof test. So that feels like it will take some, it's like ABS moulded plastic. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope you like it. Sorry I haven't been around for a while. I've just been on my Adrian the Geekery channel. So if you want to look at that, the link will be under below. And I got these from Pound World. So see you in the next one.